All right, everybody should have been given a pack like this that you will have at home, and we're going to try to simulate welding from your home. So open your package up and pick whatever color you want to start with, and take the lid off. And the instructions say to load it up almost like a tube of caulk. And then we'll take this little push rod and put it right in the back of that. Okay, and they gave us a picture of a balloon on this one. I don't know if everybody's is the same. So what we're gonna try to do is just trace these lines, follow this line with the Play-Doh here. And laying down beads of weld are real similar to this. And actually, I've made my own version of this on steel, and we're gonna do some gas tungsten arc welding on it right after we finish this. So let's give this a shot. The instructions say to keep pressure down on the pad on your drawing while you're going. So I'm putting a little pressure behind it, and here it comes. All right, I'm making a little mess there, but that's okay. This is supposed to harden up over time, this Play-Doh. All right, so we got the balloon section of this done. And I think what I'm gonna do is switch colors here for the basket. So again, you just take that lid off, load it from the back, and put our little push rod in here. And of course, this is taking a real steady hand, and so does welding. You have to have pretty good eye and hand coordination, but practice can get you that too. All right, not the best balloon I've ever seen, but see what you can create. I mean, if you can follow these lines around here, it's going to be real similar to what I'm going to be doing on steel. And we'll give that a shot. All right, so the process of welding we're going to try to make our balloon in steel with today is gas tungsten arc welding. It's used in restaurant equipment, hospital equipment, things where a real clean weld that won't hold a lot of bacteria are used. High pressure stainless steel piping used in that as well. See, I've kind of traced my balloon out here, and I started it a little bit coming up the side. So let me get my gear on, and we'll do a little more of it. All right, we can fill this in with a little more, but I'm gonna let that steel cool down for a little while. This is one of the 3 processes you're gonna learn while going to school here at RCC. TIG welding is one of my favorites. It's the hardest process, therefore it pays the most out in the field. You're also gonna learn shielded metal arc welding or stick welding, and gas metal arc welding, which is MIG welding or wire welding for another slang term. We'll also be teaching you how to cut steel, grind steel, how to read blueprints, everything involved with becoming a fabricator out in the field. You'll learn in our classes here.